So, vineyard cleanup. What is happening here? There is this tractor with this machine which is chopping up the leftover canes that the people after pruning left in the vineyard. So in the winter when we prune the vines, we cut off all the excess cane that grew in the season before to create the preferred style of pruning and the area where we want our grapes to grow on the vine. And after we cut off those canes, they just throw it on the ground, and this tractor, as you can see, collects them and chops them off. This way all the nutrients and elements from those canes go back into the soil, which is a healthy thing, but also you have to be very careful with this process, because if you had any disease in that season, if there were some infections in the vineyard, you do not want to put those canes back into the soil, because this can lead to the disease spreading even more in the vineyard and persisting. So on those years and in these occasions, it's better to remove the canes, collect them and burn them. But pretty cool video to showcase this process that they use.